Okay, today we finished up the last of the floor. It's all in. Even these little pieces right here. The space is just so uneven. I went ahead and put the threshold in. That was a bitch. That's a steel door. I had to cut that on an angle for that to work. And you can see this big gap in here. Well, what it is that wood on the outside is rotted. But you can see we got a nice tight seal for that threshold. So here's what I've done. All this was rotted here. So I removed it all. And we'll put in new stuff here. But this is wood on concrete, not the greatest, but anyway, so it'll look good when it's done. Just like yay. So we're getting there. I had some more stuff to do, but started to rain. So I've had to bring everything inside. I just don't want to get stuff wet. So anyway, moving right along. So we've got to get that, it's probably some more cove base here. And then we'll put it around the perimeter of the room. So anyway, that's it for today. A lot of cleanup going to happen. I got dust everywhere. This brand new refrigerator. So anyway, see you.